I am honored to appear before you this afternoon to take the oath of office as Auditor General of the Republic of Kenya. Honorable Chief Justice, ladies and gentlemen, as you may be aware, I'm assuming office at challenging times, owing to the gap that existed between the expiry of the term of my former colleague and predecessor, FCPA Edward Ouko, and my assuming office. This has occasioned a backlog of audit reports, and my priority, therefore, will be to put mechanisms to clear the audit backlog as soon as possible so that entities may hold their annual general meetings and development partners can also get feedback on spending of the projects they support. And most importantly, the people of Kenya and other stakeholders can get information on how public resources have been managed for their benefit.
So, Mr. Gathungu, you, as it were, are Wanjiku's eye in the expenditure of the public resources. There is no doubt that this is not only an onerous but equally important and critical role in this country. On many occasions, Kenyans have been treated to reports of misuse and outright privilege of public resources. The duty to prevent this kind of public theft and protect public resources falls on the office that you have been appointed to, as well as the other agencies and institutions.